Television's most eligible bachelor and very good looking Siddharth Shukla exclusively on Bollywood Now. So we again caught you. And welcome to Bollywood Now. And what are you doing here? I mean, it's a love calendar, no?
Yeah, it's a love calendar, and it's for a good cause, Beti. So I've been connected with this cause for a while. So that's the reason why I'm here.
We are wondering where's your love? I mean, 2014 Valentine's will be
Did you just call me a bachelor right now?
eligible bachelor, but
Exactly.
yeah, but
Yeah, so an
you don't want to get mingled.
I would, but there should be someone, right?
Any plans for Valentine's 2014?
As in just for a Valentine? No.
Why?
As in, I'm not that desperate. Like only for that one day, I want to look out for a girlfriend. No, I mean, someone's there. She's gonna be there for keeps.
Okay. What do you think is the mantra of true love?
I think true love is only the love that a mother has for a child.
Right.
I think that's the only true love that's there in this world. Other than that, boyfriends, money's over, girlfriend's not looking beautiful, or these things.
Lot of regrets.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then
Thanks for being so honest. Guys, look at him. I mean, he's actually Shiv of Balika Vadhu. Very pure and very, very nice at heart. Nice at heart. Okay, since New Year is like running, just started.
right.
One New Year resolution you have made this year.
I do not make resolutions here because it's very hard to keep up to it, and it's really sad when you break your resolutions and it doesn't go down well with me. That if I happen to break something, so there are no resolutions. I just like to keep healthy and be at it, and work a lot and work the best way I could and put my best foot forward and do it.
Right. Okay, lastly, one message to all my audience, especially the lovebirds across the world.
Please stay in love.
But you are not in love.
Exactly, yeah. So the lovebirds should stay in love, and anybody who's not there.
People are really excited, I mean, to see whom Siddharth will choose as his
Choose as
lady
in what,
love.
some swayamvar there's some swayamvar happening, or that I'll choose.
No, but actually, people want to see you like mingle, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see myself mingle. It's been a while now, so but let's see. But why am I sounding so desperate? I'm not, dude. I'm
I'm
fine.
making you.
Yeah, I know exactly. You're making me sound desperate. Like fuck, I need somebody. I need somebody. No, I'm cool there.
Okay. Well, this was very fun chat. Thank you, Siddharth, for talking to us. Well, this was fun chat with Siddharth Shukla in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now. And keep watching Bollywood Now for all the latest updates on television and Bollywood.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla. Subscribe to Bollywood Now.